Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel for a new UX snack. So the more I carve out my path as a marketer and a UX designer, the more I've realized that what I'm really doing is developing a better understanding of the full journey that people take. I'm developing a much clearer delineation between when they're users and consumers, and that sometimes it can actually be both on a single person's journey. I mentioned in one of my last videos on how marketers and UX and UI people can play along together, but I really think that analytics is this common ground that both teams can play on. So at a high level, marketers use market research and the output of analytics to develop deep understanding of the people they consider within their target market to then influence behavior. UX designers use methods like usability testing to collect insights on how to make the user experience with the product much better. So today I want to talk to you about a specific kind of analytics, which is called triangulation. At its core, triangulation means mixed method research, and it generally combines qualitative and quantitative research methods. So for UX, that can mean gaining insights through user interviews and then validating through usability testing or affinity mapping. Triangulation can help merge multiple viewpoints into one collective viewpoint. So during my time in marketing, a majority of my big research projects use triangulation because we were always looking to validate our qualitative data. For example, I managed market basket research, which essentially looked at consumer behavior when they're in shopping mode. I would then cross-reference this with Nielsen data, which looks globally at consumer behavior trends, and then I would also cross-reference it with internal transaction data. This would help me validate my findings, it would help eliminate bias, and it would set me on the right course on how to better reach them through marketing. So I think that UX designers and marketers can benefit from a shared interest in triangulation because really both groups are invested in crafting a point of view for a person, whether they are shopping for a new product or a new app, or this person has become a power user on their new favorite app. With both teams using triangulation, they will better understand a person on their full journey rather than just one point in time. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the links below to learn more about triangulation, and definitely stay tuned for more.